This is Marjorie again, and for today, I would like to share with you my son's room renovation. Ayun, ako mismo yung nag-paint ng room niya. I used gray color, and then I ordered some stuff from Lazada, Shopee, and some furniture also from Paco place, if you are familiar with that. So, ayun, to be honest guys, it's my first time to paint a room, and salute to all the painters kasi ang hirap pala, napakahirap palang gawin yun. It takes me 3 days to 4 days ata bago ako natapos. Sobrang sakit ng buong katawan. So, ayun. Ngayon alam ko na hindi pala madali yung ganung work. So, salute to you all guys. And yeah, please stay with me and I'll show you guys the renovation of my son's room.
First part of my transformation.
Ayun, galing naman. Hi guys! So, ito yung first day namin na magtatanggal ng paint niya. Isasand namin. And then, tatanggalin namin yung mga laruan niya na ayaw niya na ipakabit na namin yung TV. And then, the next part na is lilihain namin sa sand. And then, maybe tomorrow, we can start the painting.
Subscribe to AJ Boy XD for awesome content. Oh.
Naglagay ako ng masilya dito. Tinil up ko siya kasi may mga hole siya. Ayan. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko naman, isasand ko siya muna. Lahat ng area na pinil up ko siya, isasand ko naman ngayon. Para pag hindi bouncy. Come here now. We need to dissect your box.
Okay, there's gonna be a spider in there.
So, we are going through his box and all his toys, and then we're going to give away the stuff that he doesn't need anymore.
Charity.
Yeah, and then the one that he likes will stay. Okay, the one that you will keep, the one you keep is in this side, and the one you don't, and then the one you don't need to keep is in that side.
Yeah. Lost the remote. Oh, this one I can keep because this is cool. This is action figure. All the action figures that are still intact.
Ano to?
Need that for my vehicle collection.
Oh, ito.
And I also need that for my Star Wars collection. Shaggy! Can you give me Shaggy?
Huwag mo itapon si Shaggy. Jay, doon sa mataas sa bahay niya, oh. Yung kama ng anak ko na luma. So ngayon, nabenta na namin siya ng magkano? 1.5. Mura lang. So ina-unscrew ko na siya. Kasi bukas darating na yung bago na in-order na kama. So ayan, at least nabenta naman siya kahit mura. Diba? Hi guys! So for today, this is our second day. Ang gagawin ko naman ngayon is, tapos na ako kahapon na nag-sand ng wall. Ngayon naman is, ready to paint na siya. So ayan, eto, nilagyan ko na siya ng first layer. So, dito na naman ako sa side na to. So, ayan guys, come and join me! So, color ng wall is gonna be gray. So, ayan. Nilagyan ko na siya ng tape para kahit na iganong ko yung roller, hindi siya makaka-storbo. Hindi madudumihan yung wall. So, this is just the first layer. So, okay lang yan. Manipis lang ang pag-apply. And then, hindi naman kailangan maging perfect talaga. Kasi ano pa lang naman. Primer pa lang. Kumbaga, primer lang itong ginagawa natin. Tanggalin na natin yung tape. Hi guys! So for today, this is our third day na magpa-painting. Kahapon tapos na ako sa wall. Ngayon naman is yung mga cabinet and then yung sa pinto. Yun naman yung pipinturahan ko. So, come and join me ulit guys! So, nagawa ko na yung first layer kanina. Ito na yung pinaka-final coat na ginawa ko. So, dalawang coating yung ginawa ko sa shelf. Ngayon naman, dito naman tayo sa pinto. Dito naman sa eto, nagawaan ko na to ng first layer. Second layer naman ako. Ayan, dumating na yung kama namin. And then, i-assemble na namin siya. And, binili namin to sa Paco. How much we buy this one? 5,500 kasama na yung mattress niya. Na namin siya ngayon. Okay. Ayan, dumating na yung pinagawa namin ng customized sticker. So, ngayon, ikakabit na namin siya. Sadly, yung dapat na magkakabit nito ay hindi siya allowed pumasok dito sa unit namin kasi yung walang health certificate. So, kami na lang.
Remember, like, subscribe to AJ Boy. Okay guys, my sisters are gonna try their best to put the stickers symmetric on the wall. Remember, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
So, ayan yung nabili namin na light from Lazada. Meron siyang Bluetooth. And then, pwede siyang magpalit-palit ng ibang color. So, ayan. So, pwede different color siya. Ayan, may red. Ayan naman. So, ito na yung finished product ng room ng anak ko. Ayan. So, yun. Hindi ganun siya kadaling mag-paint. Napakahirap pero napaka-satisfying naman yung feelings after mo magawa. Parang ang saya-saya ng feeling mo. Kasi nakita mo yung outcome ng ginawa mo. So, ayan. Ito from dark, naging white na siya. Ayan. So, yung 4 shelf, naging 2 shelf na lang. And then, ito yung pinaka-pinto niya. Thank you for watching my video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe and push the notification bell so you could be notified for my next vlog. Please be safe, everyone, and bye!